Adoraboo App. So this is a new trending app built by Widgetable. So Widgetable app is a app collection of different widgets, and Adoraboo app is built by Widgetable team because Widgetable also has these pads where you can grow them together. So yeah, here's Adoraboo app where you can just raise these pads together. And yeah, this is how it looks like. You have your profile, which you can change. You can share your profile. And then here is the Adoraboo pad, which you can feed. As you can see, you need to get it a mood. You can pet it, you can dress it up. And obviously you can do all of this for diamonds and coins. So here you can just get diamonds. You need to buy them basically. If you want to get them for free, then you need to wait. There is a few times per day you can get them for free, and then you can also draw and that get them for free that way. Also, there is like a free food. Also, you just need to wait, and then there is a diary. Like that's just a different feature. But anyhow, you just padding out this this pad and feeding it, and also to make it survive. So you need just to take care of it, and then you can just go and invite friends. So you can tap add friends, share the link to invite friends, and you can invite friends and get rewards. So that's basically the idea here. And then you just that's basically how it works. And then also you can feed this pad from this tree. Then there is a house. So a lot of features to take care of this pad. And then you can also install like a home screen widget. So you can also do that. So yep, that's what you have here. And then there is your profile, your widget, your settings. You can also then upgrade to Adoraboo Pro to get some more features. It's quite cheap subscription, so yearly is $20. So it's quite a good deal, I think, at the moment. So yep, something around that.